We're talking today about getting injured on the job. It is The Law and You, featuring attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We always keep these guys safe here on our job.
We are safe, we are sound, we got this beautiful virtual law set.
Can't ask for anything more.
No, man, I tell you what, they treat us so well here. We love it.
I know you're treated well, and we want to get your advice now from our question. And Tim in Hanover says, I work in a local manufacturing facility. We have temps all the time that are working very dangerously. One didn't do his job right last week and made the machine malfunction, breaking my arm. Can I sue the temp agency? So does Tim have a claim here against the temp agency?
I tell you, this is a really fascinating question, and believe it or not, the law is kind of unsettled in this particular area, especially because temps are becoming more and more frequent in these settings, and the temporary employee is actually an employee of the temp agency, not of the where this individual is working. So it's a really interesting question. It's a potential. I don't know where the law is going to go on this one, but I don't know. What do you think? I mean, it's a really fascinating question.
The law is always changing,
Yeah.
but this is a prime example of where these people, the injured workers, if you're injured at work, you need to pick up the phone and call us. It's that simple. These cases become very adversarial very quickly, and you need to know
Very
what
complex.
your rights are. They are.
There's so, yeah, I mean, you got multiple parties.
Yeah,
I mean,
but
you got a
any
lot
of these
stuff.
you're hurt at work, pick up the phone and call. It's really that simple. We can help you with these cases because they have a big insurance company working for them, and you need help. You really do. I mean, it's just
not only one. I mean, in this scenario, you probably have 2, 3, maybe 4 different insurance companies that are going to be, working against you in this particular situation. So it's really complicated, and you really need to get on it fast.
And for convenience, we have the number and the website right on the bottom of your screen. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Thank you. You got it, Dave.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.